2019 Chevy Camaro SS, 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1, 2019 Chevy Camaro Review, 2019 Chevy Camaro 2 SS, buy new cars. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Chevrolet brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Chevy Camaro SS, 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1, 2019 Chevy Camaro Review, 2019 Chevy Camaro 2 SS, buy new cars. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Chevy Camaro SS, 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1, 2019 Chevy Camaro Review, 2019 Chevy Camaro 2 SS, buy new cars. Every now and then government agent photos of the 2019 Chevrolet Camaro SS appear. That gives us a sign that change of this model is in late stages, so soon we could see a presentation of its thought. In any case, since there is adequate time for every inconspicuous component to get all together, this will be just a thought. The creation model of the Camaro we will see in 2019 season isn't going before that year. Incidentally, spy photos unveil a couple of inconspicuous components, yet the considerable cover is in the auto. Regardless, this is far from an aging auto, notwithstanding we can't peek in the motor. The 2019 Camaro SS will be a bit of the sixth period of the vehicle. Appeared unprecedented for 2015, this vehicle continues awing all around. The diversion's auto parcel is extreme, so every new model must pass on different advancements. It isn't basic for the engine, yet also, design. Updates on the front belt are multifunctional. That movement will enable the appearance, and additionally, the auto, too, will be more streamlined. Regardless, it seems like that Camaro keeps estimations of its Trailblazer. Moreover, the outward presentation is without radical changes. 2019 Chevrolet Camaro engine specs. We can simply consider what is happening in the motor of the new Chevrolet Camaro Z28. A couple of masters assume that auto is going with a 4-barrel unit, which can't be engaged in the market. It is more likely that V8 will pass on no less than 500 quality. With the development of turbo or supercharger, this vehicle will be a certifiable super recreations auto. One of the particular things is transmission structure. This should be a 10-pace auto, notwithstanding, there is still time for changes here. Here is adequate time for the headway of the 2019 Chevrolet Camaro SS and Z28. We believe the essential model can appear at some auto show soon. In any case, it will be a long way from the age appear. It is likely that new Camaro will arrive sooner than required in 2019. By then, the competition is setting up their automobiles as a response. Portage will have its Mustang GT, and Challenger by Dodge is also on its way. Thanks.